How to fix Messenger chat head bubble not working on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now type Messenger and click on search. Now tap on Messenger and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find Messenger. Now simply tap on Messenger. Now click on Force Stop and go to Storage Uses. Now tap on Clear Data, tap on Delete and simply go back. Now tap on Manage Notifications. Now make sure to enable the toggle for bubbles. Now open up Messenger on a device. Now tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. Now go to Settings and scroll down. Now simply tap on Bubbles. Now select all conversation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.